The article, titled Teaching Narrative Reading by Using the Subtext Strategy for Islamic Senior High School Students, was authored by Muhammad Hollandia, Novalingga Pitaloka, and Wahyu Dianto. The study aimed to determine whether the subtext strategy could significantly improve the reading comprehension scores of 11th grade students at an Islamic senior high school in Palembang. It also sought to compare the reading comprehension scores between students taught using the subtext strategy and those taught by conventional methods. The research was conducted at an Islamic senior high school located in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. The study involved 60 students divided into two groups, 30 students in 11th grade of Social Science 2 control group and 30 students in 11th grade of Social Science 3 experimental group. The sampling technique used was convenience sampling, selecting classes that were available and deemed suitable for study. A quasi-experimental design was employed, specifically a pre-test, post-test, non-equivalent groups design to assess the effectiveness of the subtext strategy on students' reading comprehension. Data were collected using reading comprehension tests in the form of multiple choice questions. These tests were administered twice, once a pre-test before the intervention and once as a post-test after the intervention to both of experimental and control groups. The data were analyzed using SPSS 20 software, employing both paired sample t-test and independent sample t-test to determine the significance of the difference in students' reading comprehension scores before and after the intervention, and between the experimental and control groups. The study found that the experimental group, which was taught using the subtext strategy, showed a significant improvement in their reading comprehension scores compared to the control group. The paired sample t-test revealed a significant improvement within the experimental group, and the independent sample t-test indicated a significant difference between the experimental and control groups. The study concluded that the subtext strategy is an effective method for enhancing students' narrative reading comprehension. It recommended that English teachers consider implementing this strategy to improve students' reading skills.